Hello Scratchers, I am Tejas. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be giving you all a tutorial on how to make an Apple Cat game on Scratch. So let's begin. Firstly, delete this sprite cat and get a new sprite named Bowl. After that, get another new sprite named Apple and get a new backdrop Blue Sky. Keep the size of apple at 60 and now let's start coding. First we will do the codes of the bowl. So its y should be minus 135. When flag is clicked, forever, if right arrow key is pressed, then change x by 7. Now duplicate this and now put in if left arrow key is pressed, change x by minus 7. And over here by mistake if you move this bowl, we can keep change x, not change x, go to xy 0 and minus 135. Now let's give it a quick check. And yes, it's working. We'll save it. And now let's get on our apple. Over here, when flag is clicked, hide. I am giving this hide command because I don't want this apple to fall down. I want its clones to come down. Okay, so we'll do go to y 180 and go to x pick random from 240 to minus 240. Now give a repeat block, repeat 10, create clone of myself. Now after that we will copy this go to block and place it here. Now when I start as a clone, forever, repeat until touching color brown, or touching bowl. Change y by minus 3. Now we will make a new variable. I will name it score. We can delete this my variable. And over here when green flag is clicked, set score to 0. And now get an if block. If touching bowl, then change score by 1. After that, after it hits the bowl or the ground, then it should go back at the top. So we can duplicate this and paste it at the last. We can save now and let's give it a check. Okay, there is a problem. We haven't showed it till now. So when I start as a clone, show. And now it's working. And after this we can add one more thing in it, uh, a sound. You can use any sound. I will be using pop. Start sound, pop. It's falling, it's falling, it's falling, and okay, I have muted this site. Yes, it's working. Now this game will become an endless game. So we don't want that. So now we will make our bomb. It is not available in the library. So we will make one. Keep its color as black. Set its outline to 0. Now zoom in and hold shift and make a perfect circle. Now take the rectangle tool and make a type of bottle cap on the top of its head. Now take a line tool and set its color to red and keep its width to 5. Hold shift key and make a perfect slanting line. Bring it to the center, copy and paste. After that bring that one also to the center and then flip horizontal. And here is a bomb. With that we can also add a brown colored rope on its top. We can use this tool and make it a little bit different. And yes, our bomb is ready. Let's name it bomb. It will use the same code but not completely the same. Only one bomb will be coming down. So we can get this block over here. We can duplicate it. And over here when flag is clicked, show, duplicate it and put it in the starting also. Now if touching bowl, then we can make a new backdrop named game over. Duplicate this, name it game over. Now you can take the text tool and fill it with red color. Game over. We can make this a little big and bring it over here. Now if it is touching the ball, wait for nearly 0.1 second and switch backdrop to game over. After that wait for 0.1 second, then stop all. Now let's check it. Okay, yes, one more thing. In the starting we have to switch its backdrop to blue sky. Now and it's working. So finally we have made an apple catch game on Scratch. If you like this video, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. And don't forget to click on all notifications to get a notification whenever I post a video.